Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Miles Performance. Today I want to talk about the CorkSport CST4 Performance Drop-In Turbocharger. Launched in 2015, the CorkSport CST4, or originally known as the CorkSport Turbo, or 18G, has proven to be a versatile and potent turbo upgrade for the Mazdaspeed platform. With a high-performance 6x6 billet compressor wheel paired with a high-flow 9-blade turbine wheel, the CST4 really packs a punch for an OE-fit performance turbocharger. From the community and our testing, we've seen power ranging from about 300 horsepower on stock fueling and basic bolt-ons, upwards of 450 wheel horsepower for somebody looking to really push the turbo to its edge. With so many years under the CST4's belt, we've seen the community take this turbo to the next level, asking for more and more from it. From that, we're answering this calling. Not only is the CST4 going to be available in the internal wastegate, we're now introducing an external wastegate housing, bumps up the AR sizing to 0.82 to let the CST4 really breathe on the top end. With this, you can now decide if you want an internal wastegate, simple install, goes along with all your parts on your car, or you want to take your car to the next level, add some screamer noises, pick up a little more top end power. The choice is yours. Now you might be wondering, what's my Mazdaspeed going to be like with a bigger turbo? What's it going to be like with a CST4? Well, let me help you understand that. You're used to a KO4 powered car. It packs a punch right off the bottom end. But when you're going through the RPM, you start to feel it fall off. You're losing power, you're slowing down. You don't know what's going on. But really, it's the KO4 just saying, I've had enough, I can't do anymore. Well, the CST4, it picks up and keeps going where the KO4 lets off. But all that bottom end response that you're used to and love, that's still there. It's potent, it's gonna pack a punch, and it's gonna keep on going. Lastly, if you're ready to pull the trigger on an EWG setup, don't forget the optional dump tube. It makes install a breeze as there's no fabrication. That dump tube is ready to go in your car. Like all CorkSport products, all the hardware that you need for installation is included, color step-by-step instructions, and the technical support on the phone and email from the CorkSport staff. This is the most complete performance turbo upgrade package for your Mazdaspeed. So stay in the know, subscribe, check out the blog. This is Barrett, tuning out.